On to our first alert weather tonight. Video of a tornado crossing a highway, San Antonio, earlier today. In this video, Pedro Dimas is sitting at a red light when he and his son see what sure looks like a tornado coming right toward him. And Joint Base San Antonio weather, they did confirm a very weak tornado did touch down earlier this morning. I think it was around 8 o'clock. Thankfully, nobody hurt. A few trees did come down, and there was some damage to a few vehicles. But when you talk tornadoes, we'll take that over something worse. First alert meteorologist Scotty Padgett, the chief, is joining us now as we head into Friday. What are we looking at?
We're looking at another chance of showers and storms developing as we do go into the afternoon hours. You can see the first alert satellite and radar right now. Not a whole lot happening for us, but the cloud cover will continue to increase as we go through the evening hours. You see a lot more cloud cover off to the east as that system has continued to shift its way eastward. I don't expect to see the same type of pattern for tomorrow as far as the rain is concerned, but look at what we saw over a 48-hour period. In some spots, seeing as much as near 8 inches, 7 inches of rain to 6 inches of rain, 4 inches of rain down near Corsicana. This dark purple area also down here through parts of Somerville and Bosque County, picking up near about 10 inches of rain over a 48-hour period. So I wanted to show you and start out our drought monitor with where we saw the large amount of rain. I've kind of circled it here, that dark purple color. So the reason I'm showing that to you is the drought monitor that came out today did not factor in all the rain that we saw last night and as we went through the 48-hour period. So I went ahead and removed the rain that we saw, but left that boundary of where we saw the heaviest rain. And you can see it fell over the areas that we have the exceptional to extreme drought to severe drought through parts of the Metroplex in North Texas. So seeing a couple of areas that are going to see a lot of improvement as far as the drought monitor is concerned. We'll be able to look at that map again by next Thursday when it comes out, but definitely rain that we were needing here in North Texas. Now, your first alert futurecast shows tomorrow morning cloud cover around. I don't anticipate the flooding on the roads for your morning commute, but have the umbrella with you because we'll see another system moving its way in. Scattered showers developing, 40 to 50% chance going into the afternoon hours. Then this boundary is going to kind of stall out, and as it does so, will increase the lift for us by the time we go to about 8, 9, 10 o'clock to see some heavier rain holding together. And then going into Saturday morning, you need to have the umbrella with you. We're going to be dealing with more wet weather for the day through the day on Saturday into Saturday evening. Scattered showers around again for Game 2 of the World Series. So a couple of days that we're going to be dealing with the rain around. You can see that we could pick up another maybe 1/10 of an inch to a 1/2 of an inch of rain in some localized areas. But I want to point out, tomorrow rain chances really going up to 70% by 5 to 6. Right now we're at 74 degrees. It's a bit more muggy out there as you step on out of the door. We're sitting at 72 in McKinney to 73 in Bowie for us. So into tomorrow, into the mid-80s, rain chances around 50%. But watch this. Front moves in tomorrow, kind of stalls out. Some of us in the 80s, some of us in the 70s. Into Saturday, we'll see temperatures mid-50s, low 50s in some spots. But then Sunday, watch the cold air settle in. We'll be in the mid-40s on Sunday. Your first alert 7-day forecast shows that cold air sticking around by Monday, a high of only 47 degrees. Rain chances 70%, morning temperatures in the 30s into next week.